Hi, Erin here. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I have to tell you, I went on Amazon and I ordered a new bulb for my Singer 401A Slant O Matic. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the bulb. It's just right under here. You see. Well, anyways, we're going to change it. It's okay. And what you do is you take your screwdriver. It uses a flathead screwdriver. And you take out these screws right here. Okay, and they are located right here and here. Okay, and what I did when I took this off, I cleaned my lens, my little lens on it, okay, and let's change this battery out, okay, and I bought these batteries. If you'd like me to, I'll put a link down below on where you can purchase these batteries on Amazon. I got two for under $10, so that's not so bad. But you just stick it up in there. Just cut that sucker off, okay? But you stick it up in there, and you turn it just a little to lock it in. And then you put your cover back on, and you screw it up. But that is how we change the light bulb in the Singer 401A. And if you see, I'm going to tighten these screws up. If you see, it works just fine. So, again, I'll link the light bulbs. I got 2 in a pack for under $10. I'll link them below. You guys have a great day. Talk to you later. Goodbye.